In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Payoneer receiving account. A Payoneer receiving account gives you local bank details in specific currencies so clients and marketplaces can pay you like a domestic transfer. It's ideal if you work with international clients, sell on global platforms, or want to simplify cross-border payments without opening multiple bank accounts. Today, I'll walk you through the exact clicks, plus a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Payoneer. Before you click anything, confirm you're heading to the official website. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and check that the URL is the legitimate Payoneer domain. This helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. Click the correct link to reach the official site and then log into your existing Payoneer account. Enter your credentials and complete any security checks. If you use verification codes, have your device handy. As a best practice, avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi when you're managing financial settings. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the top menu and open the Receive tab. This is where all your incoming payment tools live. From there, choose Receiving Accounts. You'll see any accounts you already have, and you'll also find options to request new ones. Next, click the plus Add Accounts button. This opens a short request flow inside Payoneer, where you can set up new receiving details tailored to your needs. Follow the prompts to choose the countries or currencies that align with your business. For example, pick USD if you're billing clients in the United States, EUR for many European marketplaces, or GBP for the United Kingdom. Think about where your payers are located and what currency they prefer to send. Some currencies or regions may only be available if your business meets certain eligibility criteria, and the system will guide you accordingly. Read each screen carefully so your selection matches how you actually get paid. When your selections look right, click Submit Request. Your request will be sent to Payoneer for review. You'll see updates in your dashboard and may receive an email when the new receiving details are approved. To prevent fraud and keep accounts secure, Payoneer often requires a one-time verification before approval. If they ask for additional information, respond promptly to avoid delays. That's it. Search for Payoneer, log in, open Receive, select receiving accounts, add the new ones you need, follow the prompts, and submit. Once approved, share only the bank details shown in your receiving account with clients, never your login information.